This is the eOCI card, which we all were waiting for. Government had recently introduced and said that instead of the physical OCI card, it will be now eOCI card. If you already have a physical OCI card, you can download your eOCI card. In case you are applying new, chances are that you might only get eOCI download, which once you download on your mobile, you carry that digital copy and show it when you are in India at the immigration, and that is as good as the physical OCI card. In case you have physical OCI card, you can carry the physical OCI card, eOCI card both, or just eOCI card. Everything is good. It's quite simple to download. I'll show you how you can do that in quick, easy, simple steps. Those of you who already have an OCI card and have been trying to download the eOCI card, chances are that your email ID which you had used to get the OCI card is not working and you're not able to log into the OCI portal. So in that case, you'll have to do an additional step. Once you do that, you'll be able to download your eOCI card for free. So once you log into your online OCI service portal and in the dashboard, you have this additional tab, eOCI card. Earlier, completed application, partial filled application was only showing up. Now this eOCI card has been introduced, and here you will only be able to see the details once you have submitted your application, it has been processed and it is successful. If it has not been completed, then this tab will not show the detail. So I had applied a few years back, and because I had applied and I have a OCI card, now when I click here on the eOCI card, you can see here it shows the application detail and the passport number attached. Action, click here to eOCI card request. If you have used a single credential to submit all the application for every single family member, you'll be able to see the detail here in the dashboard. And once you click here on eOCI card request, eOCI card request generated. Same thing I'm doing here. Click here to eOCI card request. eOCI card request generated. You can see here I'm shown download eOCI card, and in another case it says eOCI card request generated. So you can just wait for some time, and after which once you refresh or come again to login, you will see this download eOCI card. Once you click here, download started. This is my eOCI card. You can carry this. Your OCI booklet is also valid, and you can carry this eOCI card when you travel to India. This has been generated with a QR code and a barcode, and all I will have to do is to carry this and show it at the immigration, and everything should be taken care. To verify eOCI card, please scan the given QR code. You can scan it with your mobile and check it. The last step is to scan the QR code. You can see here I'm scanning this. Once you do that, on right hand side there's a small QR code icon, and when I press the QR code icon, you see this entire detail opens up, and of course I have hidden everything else. All you can see is lifelong validity. So this is working fine. This is how you can check that it's all good. As I said before, the OCI card, physical OCI card that you have is still valid, and if you're carrying that, you can still carry that if you want. Or if you're just carrying eOCI card, this downloadable version, it's absolutely fine. You can just show the eOCI card on your mobile and it should be good. It is as good as your physical OCI card. In case you have applied recently, chances are that you will only get the eOCI card and not the physical card. So this is the entire scenario. You'll come to the OCI portal to update your email ID. And for that, once you're on the portal, user registration, you'll click here, user register. Here, go ahead and update your surname, given name as it is in your passport or the OCI card. So your OCI card will have exact name as it is reflecting in your passport. Make that entry, surname, given name, date of birth. You cannot go wrong with this. Your email ID which you currently have, or if it is old email ID, you can use the same email ID again, and then choose the nationality, your current mobile number, and then CAPTCHA. So once you're done with and you do the registration, you'll go ahead and enter the one-time password that has come to your email ID, create the new password, enter the CAPTCHA, and then submit. Then come to user login, enter the credential and login. You will come to the user profile page where you will go and update all your details. Surname, given name, email, currently residing in which country, nationality, mobile number, passport number, that is your current passport number, passport issue date, passport issue place, expiry date, father's name, mother's name. So once you have entered all the detail from what is reflecting in your passport and the OCI card, you can look at, and once you update the profile, after you update, you will come to this dashboard, and here you see you have this view status consent for FTI TTP. You will also see your old application ID, application date, and the passport number which you had updated at the time of application reflecting here. And once you click on view status and consent for FTI TTP, earlier I had made a separate video for this. This will allow you for faster immigration in India, and now that it is shown here, once you do the consent, you don't have to do that additional step which I had made as a video earlier. Here, if you click on view status, which I'm not doing, you see status as granted, and then consent for FTI TTP. Once you click here, you can read this part, and it says this service is free of cost. So once you click yes to the consent, now you see that consent part is no more seen. That means the consent has been given. And then come to this eOCI card tab, click here, and then you see here, click here to eOCI card request. Come and click here. eOCI card request generated. So you can wait for some time, come back, and you will see the download ready. As long as you see this message, it's all good. You will get the e-download anytime soon. In my case, I waited for 5 minutes. It has still not happened, but hopefully within some time, this should be ready. I will pin in the comment section how much time it took. Hopefully this was of help to you. Make sure to comment, and thank you.